a styling and a home page. Happy, because they're happy dogs. But now they said, you know what we want? We want a site-wide contact form. Now, the reason I chose this for the demo is it's the simplest thing I could think of to put into a feature. The one caveat I want to share is that I know somebody that I respect a lot that says never use the contact module, go straight to web form because that's where your client's going to want you to go anyway. But again, for this circumstance, I wanted to keep it simple. Second of all, it's not as simple as I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to zip through all the steps I did to create the contact form. First, you have to enable the contact module. Then you go to the configuration. The default is probably not exactly the way you want it, so you click edit, and you change the recipient, and that's kind of a funky recipient email path, and that I got that from Gabe, so I'll talk about that later if you want. And then you have your custom auto reply. Thanks for your site feedback. One of our geeks will contact you within 24 hours. So this is website feedback, okay? But that's not enough. We want to have another category. In fact, it's the main reason we want a contact form is to get doggy data contact. So we have a separate email recipient, and we have a different auto reply. Thanks for your interest in Chester and Ray Doggy Daycare. One of our team members will be back to you within 12 hours, blah, blah, blah. And also the weights and select whether it's auto-selected are different. So now we have two categories, and then you have to go to the automatically disabled contact menu item. For this purpose, I'm going to both enable it and switch it to the main menu. It's all making sense? Everything's good? Okay. And now I've got the two main menu linked. And then the last thing I want to do is I have to change the permissions. Obviously, administrator gets to do everything. We don't want personal contact forms, which is a whole different use case. You probably, if you ever went to a Drupal camp, you might have experienced the individual contact forms. But this is the site-wide contact form, and we want both anonymous, authenticated, and administrators to be able to use it. All right, we've got it. Clients have, well, I'm